On behalf of the entire VisionPoint team, I'd like to thank everyone for joining the webinar today. I'm Tom McNeff, and I head up the sales and marketing team here at VisionPoint. With me today, I have our Director of Operations, Lonnie Bowers. As people are now getting back to the office, most organizations are in uncharted territory and trying to figure out how to support multiple platforms in their conference rooms. Our clients are finding that rooms with integrated technology, such as Cisco or Poly, do not easily connect with all the platforms people have been using at home or with the platforms in use by their clients. VisionPoint UNIFY enables rooms with integrated video systems to easily connect with all the major UC platforms, including Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and BlueJeans.
The collaboration tool of somebody who's working at home is their laptop. A laptop has a lot of flexibility, allows you to connect to different types of meetings. When you return to work and the conference rooms are then revived and go back into production, some of them have been idle for several months, it's not so easy to connect to these multiple platforms. A lot of our clients, a lot of the inquiries we're getting that they not only want to do calendar integration, but also be able to connect to a GoToMeeting or Zoom, as the poll indicated, the most popular solution. As employees return and we're seeing the growing demand for conference rooms to connect to multiple platforms, we've created a tool. We will use this tool to create a quote, to create a network diagram, and to bring on the legacy systems or systems in your conference rooms like Cisco and Polycom so that they can do this multiple join. So here's what the workflow looks like. If there is a meeting that's in the calendar, that meeting, whether it's Zoom or WebEx or GoToMeeting, it appears as a green button on the start screen before you do anything. So it's a simple one button to push to join. There's a lot of meetings that don't make the calendar or they're ad hoc. In that event, you simply enter in the meeting code. This solution allows us to go back and integrate iPads, Touch 10s, Crestron systems that are already in your conference rooms and add this multi-platform dialing and also the one-button calendar dialing. All of these features are part of it, including the touch-free control where you take your phone or your iPad, you scan the QR code, and you have that interface on your device. The one-button calendar dialing is there, as well as the ability to integrate different sources. This is kind of a new feature that we're excited about because this level of Zoom Room allows us to remotely support the systems, access them, and people who manage the rooms are able to basically dial and manage their rooms from anywhere.
What do you need to upgrade an existing room to multi-platform capabilities? It does depend on what you have in the room in terms of your current equipment, your current platform, your current licensing, and what the end goal that you're looking to achieve. For example, if it's a Cisco room system and you're looking to connect to Zoom and Teams, that's going to be one path. If you're trying to do something with Poly that may already have a connection to Teams and you're looking to add some additional things, that's going to be a slightly different proposal. We're happy to engage with you to talk about your specific UC strategy and develop a plan that's specific to your environment.
I see a question here about a calendar integration and one button dialing. Really is another thing that we have to look at on an individual basis. Office 365 is a little bit easier than using on-prem. We certainly can integrate to on-prem environments. We have a few more requirements because we're looking at whether the EWS is published or not. Depending on those conditions, we have to add different licensing. But the short answer is it depends, but we are certainly willing to look at your situation and provide you those requirements.